Hello students, welcome to maths class. Today we will start one new topic, plane. A small topic but interesting topic, right? So what is meant by plane? First of all, the definition. Actually, line is a 2D diagram, so then plane is a 3D diagram. I said while dealing with 3-dimensional geometry, what is the difference between 2D figures and 3D figures means in 2D figures, if we take the point, it contains x coordinate and y coordinate, right. So 2D is nothing but the point of intersection of two perpendicular lines passing through the horizon, and it is called coordinate axis. Points lies on coordinate axis. If the figure is in 3D, I said three perpendicular lines will passes through the horizon and they form rectangular coordinate axis, and if you take any point in 3D, it contains x coordinate, y coordinate as well as z coordinate, right. So example, line is example of 2D figure and plane is example of 3D figure. Okay, so now the definition according to the mathematicians, it is a plane is a surface such that if we take any 2 points on that surface and if we take a line segment through those 2 points, that entire line lies on that surface only. Such type of surface is called the plane. So plane is nothing but a surface, right. Surface in which if we take 2 points and join the 2 points, right, then that line segment will completely lies on that surface only, right. Such type of surface is called the plane. And what is the general equation of the plane is, the general equation of the plane is ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0, just like our line equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. I said the line equation where a, b, c are real numbers. So same thing here also, plane, the general equation of the plane. That means after the simplification of a plane equation, at the end its equation will be in the form of ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0. Instead of x and y terms in a line, here we are having z term. Already I said to you, line is the example of 2D, right, and plane is example of 3D. We will have extra z term in all the forms. All will be like intercept form, normal form, all those will be same like our line only, but only thing is we'll get one more term with respect to z in plane. Okay, so here also a, b, c are real numbers. What is meant by real numbers? They can be positive, they can be negative, and zero also included in the real number. Okay, so next it is first degree equation in x, y and z. What is the meaning of first degree x, y, z? If you take the power, it is equals to 1. Suppose their power is 2, we will say second degree equation. Highest power is taken as the degree. So it is the first degree equation in x, y and z. Okay, so this is our definition and general equation of the plane. So anywhere, not only in entire first year, right, in any class, if you get any equation in this form, ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0 form, you can consider that as a plane equation now onwards. Okay, so now we will do some problems from the topic, right. Actually this is our 7th topic, right. This topic is 7th topic. So exercise will be 7a. Already I said to you, suppose 3rd topic your exercises will be 3a, 3b, 3c. 7th topic 7a, 7b, but in this topic we are having only one exercise. Okay, so now come to the first question. Find the equation of the plane parallel to zx plane and passing through 0, 4, 4. Okay, find the equation of the plane parallel to zx plane. right? It is parallel to zx plane. That plane should be parallel to zx plane, and it passes through one point also. Okay, so come on, we'll solve the first one. Okay, so first we have to take what is the equation of zx plane. For that we have to take parallel equation, right? So come on, equation of zx plane, right? Zx plane is, it is a formula, right? Zx plane is y is equal to 0, small y is equal to 0. So equation of plane parallel to this, right? Plane parallel to which plane? Zx plane. It is asked the question, right? We have to find that plane equation which is parallel to zx and it passes through one point. By using this condition, we have to find the plane equation, right? The equation of the plane parallel to zx plane is y is equal to k, right? So this plane passes through, given that plane passes through which point? It is given to you, that is 0, 4, 4, passes through 0, 4, 4. So implies what happens? Y is equal to, right, in y place, point lies on it, it passes through that point, means point satisfies that plane equation. What is plane equation? Y is equal to k is the plane equation. So it satisfies, that means 4 is equal to k. Okay, therefore from 1, what is the required plane equation? Required plane equation is, what is that equation? Y is equal to, in k place we got 4, right? Implies y minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, this is our first question, simple question. We have to find the plane which is perpendicular to zx plane and passes through 0, 4, 4. Okay, so first what is the equation of the plane? Zx plane we have to take. So zx plane equation is, it's a formula, it is y is equal to 0. We have to take the plane which is parallel to zx plane, which is parallel to this equation. We have to take the plane which is parallel to this equation, that's why it is y is equal to k. So given that this plane passes through 0, 4, 4, okay, so your y coordinate is 4. Okay, so 4 is equal to k. That means passes through that point, means point satisfies that equation, plane equation. So in y place, y coordinate. So you got your k value, substitute, you will get your required plane equation. Now come to the second question. Find the equation of plane passing through 2, 3, 4 and perpendicular to x-axis, right? So plane perpendicular to x-axis now, right? If plane is perpendicular to x-axis, is parallel to which one? YZ plane. Always if any plane is perpendicular to x-axis, then definitely it will be parallel to YZ plane. That means we have to find the equation of the plane parallel to YZ plane, isn't it? What is the question? Find the equation of the plane passing through this and perpendicular to x-axis. So any plane perpendicular to x-axis will definitely parallel to YZ plane. That means we have to find the plane equation which is parallel to YZ plane. Okay, so first you take equation of, come on, what is that? YZ plane. What is equation of YZ plane? If you observe, ZX plane means we have taken y is equal to 0. So YZ plane means x is equal to 0. Now we have to find the plane which is parallel to yz plane. So equation of plane parallel to yz plane is, come on, what is that? It is x is equal to k. You consider that as equation number 1. Okay. So given that one passes through which point? Which point? Come on, point is given to us 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. So that plane passes through means point satisfies that plane equation. So that means point lies. Lies means in x coordinate place we have to take, right? In x place we have to substitute x coordinate. So implies 2 is equal to k. So therefore required plane, right, equation is, what is that required plane equation? This one, x is equal to k, where we got k as 2. So we can write this as x minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, this is your second question. Now come to the third question. What is your third question? Write equation of a plane 4x minus 4y plus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0 in the intercept form. So already you know this terminology, intercept form. In straight lines we got, what is the intercept form of the line? I said there it is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 is called intercept form in our straight lines. So what I said, what is the difference between line and plane? Only z coordinate. That is 2D diagram, this is 3D figure. So only z coordinate will be different. So what will be intercept of the plane means x by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 1 is called the intercept form of the plane equation. General form is ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0 is the general equation of the plane equation. Then actually just like our straight lines reduce the line equation into intercept form, normal form, same thing here also we are doing like that. So this is called in plane. According to the given equation we will know which form it is, right? General form, at the end general form will be ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0. But if we want to take intercept form, then we have to reduce the given equation into x by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 1 form. Okay, so come on, now we will take the question. What is the given question to you? Write the equation of the plane 4x minus 4y plus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0 in the intercept form. So first you write the given plane equation is, then slowly try to reduce, try to transform the given plane equation into intercept form. So come on, how we will reduce it? Given plane equation is, what is the plane equation to us? Take the values correctly. 4x minus 4y plus 2x, right? Take the equation correctly. Y values I said along with x, y, z, their coefficients are there. You should be careful with the coefficients. Instead of plus, if we take minus, entire problem will get wrong, right? So what is the procedure? How we will convert this into intercept form means same like our straight lines. While reducing the line equation into intercept form, I said try to get 1 on the right side. Try to get the number 1 on right side. Here also same thing. First try to get 1 on right side. So how we will get it? First send the constant the other side and dividing entire equation, that means both sides with that constant, then right side you will get your 1. So come on, we will send that constant that side. 4x minus 4y plus 2x is equal to minus 5, sending the constant the other side. Now dividing both sides with minus 5. In mathematics, if we want to do anything, we have to do both sides. Okay. So come on, now it is 4x by minus 5 minus 4y by minus 5 plus 2x by minus 5 is equal to 1. Right, minus minus cancel, 5 also cancel. So right side we got, our aim is first to get right side 1. After that, what is the form? I said it should be in which form? I said x by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 1 is called the intercept form of the plane. That means only x should be there, only y should be there, only z should be there. Right, here it is z, isn't it? Plane. Hooray. See what is the equation we have taken, question only we have taken like that. So be careful while taking the question. It is x, y, z, right? So here it is z, be careful, be attentive. It should be x by, right? X term, y term, z term. So come on, only x should be there means send 4 downwards. Only y should be there means send minus 4 downwards. Only z should be there means send 2 downwards. Then you will have your x by minus 5 by 4, right? Minus of minus cancels, right? So y by 5 by 4, right? Plus z by minus 5 by 2 is equal to 1. Okay, so be attentive while doing the problem, right? So E is in the form of x by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 1 is in intercept form, is called intercept form. Okay, so here a is called, in a place whatever be the value, that is called x intercept, and in place of b whatever be the value, that is called y intercept, and in c place whatever be the value, that is called the z-intercept. Okay, so what is the procedure? Actually this one is very simple problem. While taking the question only I have taken the wrong. Be careful, x term, y term, z term and constant should be there, right? The given plane equation is this one, and what is the procedure to reduce the plane into intercept form means, first right side, on right side we have to take 1, right? So send the constant to the other side. If you send the constant to other side, it is minus 5. We want right side 1, right? That's why dividing both sides with that constant minus 5. So right side we got it 1, and this side, left side, it should be x by some value plus y by some value plus z by some value. That is called intercept form. So that's why send this 4 downwards, 4 and 2. Now it is exactly in your form, x by some value plus y by some value, isn't it? Z by some value, which is in the form of x by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 1, is in intercept form. Okay, actually what is the question? Write the equation of the plane in the intercept form. So we transferred the given plane equation into intercept form. Okay, so next come to the fourth question. What is your fourth question? Find the intercepts of the plane on the coordinate axis. So if we transform the equation into this form, x by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 1, then a is called x intercept, b is called y intercept and c is called z intercept. Okay, so that means here find the intercepts means we have to find x intercept, y intercept, z intercept for the given plane equation. Okay, so that means we have to transform this into that form, then we can easily recognize what are the intercepts. Okay, so come on, the given plane equation is, the given plane equation is, what is the plane equation? It is 4x plus 3y, okay, minus 2z plus 2 is equal to 0. What is the procedure I said? First try to get number 1 on right side. But for that, first of all we have to send the constant to the other side and we have to divide with the same value on both sides. Okay, so come on, it is 4x plus 3y minus 2z is equal to minus 2. This side we want 1, that's why dividing both sides with minus 2. Okay, so then what happens? Write separately 4x by minus 2 plus 3y by minus 2 minus 2z by minus 2 is equal to 1. Right side aim, we got it. Right, now see the left side. I said intercept form means the equation must be in this form: x by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 1. So only x should be there, only y should be there, only z should be there, right? So here it is x by minus 2 by 4 plus y by minus 2 by 3. You can take plus, right? So z by minus 2, its coefficient is minus 2 is equal to 1. So come on, it is x by minus 1 by 2 plus y by minus 2 by 3 plus z by 1 is equal to 1 is of the form, come on, x by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 1. So whenever any equation is in this form, a place value is called x-intercept, b place value is called y-intercept and c place value is called z-intercept. So x-intercept, so it is a, right, is minus 1 by 2. Next y-intercept, right, what is that? B place minus 2 by 3 and z intercept, right? So C is equal to 1. So the question is find the intercepts of this plane equation. So whenever intercepts is given, the thing is first of all we have to convert the given plane into intercept form. Okay, so how we have to convert the, or we can say convert this into intercept form, transform this into intercept form, or reduce this into intercept form, all are same. What is the procedure? First try to get the number 1 on right side. How we will get it? Send the constant to right side and divide both sides with that right side value. You will get it as 1. After that left side also try to get x by some value plus y by something plus z by something is equal to 1. That is called the intercept form. Okay. So first of all the plane definition. So it is nothing but, plane is nothing but a surface, right? So in a surface, if we take 2 points and if we join the line segment between those 2 points, that line will entirely lies on that surface only. Such type of surface is called plane. Okay, and general equation of a plane is ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0. Actually all the equations will be similar to your line equation. Y means line is 2D figure and plane is 3D figure. So in all the equations, all the formulae, instead of x and y coordinates, we will have z coordinate also in this plane. Okay, so and it is first degree equation. First degree equation means the power of x, y, z is 1. So it is first degree equation in terms of x, y and z. Okay. So after that we solved 4 problems, same like our straight lines, transforming the line equation into intercept form, normal form. Here also we will do same thing with same concept, right? Only thing is we will have one more term in terms of z. Okay, so be clear with the concepts, don't by heart each and every problem, just have the idea of the concept, right? Then you can easily solve these problems. Okay, so that's all for today. Have a nice day.